Welcome to R Phoenix Farms LLC drone mapping. Once R Phoenix Farms has set our GPS ground control points on your project, a grid is flown by our drones taking images of the site. Once completed, the images are calibrated, processed, and stitched together, creating a large orthomosaic image of the site. We can input boundaries around any area to calculate volumes of stockpiles, excavations, as well as compare our drone survey against design maps. Accurate cross-section information can be reviewed, as well as distance and area measures within our mapping. Additionally, because we are using our GPS control points with our imagery, we can create geometrically accurate elevation contours of the site when flown by our drones in WGS or local coordinate systems. We can also see the depths of cut or fill to the elevation of the border we have drawn. Your personnel have access to use this platform when you contract R Phoenix Farms to map your project using our GPS control points. For project imagery, progress mapping, site mapping, earthwork mapping, contact R Phoenix Farms Drone Services today. Good day!